been found that swallowing dry sugar can make your hiccups stop. It's because it stimulates the vagus nerve, which makes your body forget about your hiccups. So, if holding your breath isn't working, try taking a spoonful of the sweet stuff. On Sesame Street, Cookie Monster's cookies are actually painted rice cakes. This is because the oils from real cookies would damage the puppet. Breast milk is known for being essential for the growth and development of infants, but a lesser known fact is that breast milk contains stem cells, which can develop into different types of cells in the body. These stem cells exist in both the milk itself and in the mammary gland tissue of lactating women.